I think one of the best tips or tricks, or, if you want some gossip, put your ear to the screen. But one of the best ways to get people to look in to either joining Live Good as a member or an affiliate is to definitely use the products. Okay, talk about a product. And you don't have to go into full detail about every product so you come off as a distributor, because with Live Good, we don't commission the sales of products. You don't have to buy $1 to $2 to $500 of product each month to qualify to get a commission. You don't have to spend $200 to make $200. Okay, this is not that company. We have the best products. We have the most expensive ingredients. We know our products are the best because the ingredients are the most. But since we're a wholesale-based company, we beat everyone's prices by 25, 50, if not 75%. All of our ingredients are 100% featured on our website. So when not that I call it bragging, but when we boast about how cool we are, people look in to the opportunity eventually as an affiliate. And I'm living proof of that because I had no intentions of being an affiliate and talking about online business. Okay. How to make money online, how to make money in your underwear on your cell phone while clucking like a chicken. That was not me when I joined Live Good. Okay. I joined about almost 2 years ago, March of 2025. So I got about 1 month, 1.8, 1.9 months of being a member and a maniac affiliate. Okay. I've learned a lot. And all I do is invite people to watch a video, which I'll show you. And then you or people that will visit my websites, they'll make up their mind, hey, I like these products. I'm going to buy them. That's what I did. I bought them for 3 months, give or take, a container of product called Super Reds. And then right next to it was Super Greens. So it's just really high-powered vegetables and red things, pomegranates and and I love vegetables, but isn't it funny how you really don't eat as many as you probably should? I don't think anyone does. I mean, maybe in some countries where there's more vegetable-based diets, but here in America, if I eat a hot dog, I'm like, well, isn't that a vegetable? Doesn't pizza have lettuce or something on it? So, but anyway, I became an affiliate by being a member first. And to back up that, I was actually a customer first. I just went to livegood.com. And I was buying their products like going to Amazon.com or Walmart.com. But when I found myself buying the product every month, I realized that I want to buy more products. But if I spend $10 a month to be a member, it's saving me about 30 to 40. So I said, self, why don't I just be a member for $10 a month? And that's what I did. For a month or two, I saved me some money and I thought I was pretty cool. And then I had a friend get a hold of me and he actually brought up Live Good. And I didn't know he was kind of recruiting me to be an affiliate. He's like, no, I don't care about the product. Why don't you make some money? All right, if you're taking the product, good, but I'm talking about you. You should join this place. This company's going places. And I'm like, oh, I'm not an affiliate. I could care less. I just want to feel good about myself and save as much money as I can so I can buy crazy stuff to put on my walls. So I went ahead around March of 2023. I came up with $40 and said, all right, I'm an affiliate. And I didn't do nothing. I still for a month just went, what a waste of $40. Then I just realized, well, on cam, webcam, which I'm on now, if I just talk to people about the products a little bit and how I don't really have experience, but click something to watch a video, and it seemed to work. I had 50 people join, 100. Then, a couple months goes by, I got 200 people, then 300, and now I got over 400 people just personally signed up underneath me. And it still blows my mind away. And it's all based on just doing video like this or emailing or on Facebook or Instagram. I don't do very much TikToking, but I just invite people to click a link. That's what I want you to do. Not over-explain. You don't even have to do a video like I'm showing you right now, but if you can invite people to a link. Now, I bought Join Cory because my name is Cory. The word Join Cory is short. It's for 8 letters. So I bought this. And then it goes to this page called the capture page. This is where you can capture people's names and email address. And they hit this little orange button if they want to get more information or they want to join. And they usually do it after they watch this YouTube video right here. Okay? You get this built in if you join. So if you have $50 right now, you got yourself this capture page, and you got a full-blown website that has customer service and questions, frequently asked questions. It explains the comp plan. Guys, the whole website is simple. It's designed so that like probably someone from 6th grade, maybe to 8th grade can understand it. From any country. We're in well over 200 countries right now. All right, we have 1.7 million people have climbed aboard since December 13th of 2022. But all 400 people that I've signed up, at the end of the day, they watch this video right here. They put their name and email address in and hit that orange button. And guys, I'm done. LiveGood, they have an email that will come so you can set up your website, get a username, password. Okay, there's the comp plan that you can watch a YouTube video, how they pay. If you want to get paid in cryptocurrency, you can. I just have a normal bank, so I just configured my account to my bank so that every Thursday we get paid once a week. So usually Thursday morning or by noon, I know how much I'm making, and then usually by the end of business, it's already funded. So it's nice to get paid every week because you might have your cell phone bill due. Maybe you need a tank of gas. Okay. But it's nice when you get paid every Thursday. It's awesome. Sometimes we get paid earlier. If it's a holiday, our CEO, Ben Glinsky, it's cool. He'll pay us a day early. Like if it's Christmas Eve or something kind of cool like that. But it's nice to have your own capture page. Let the video do all of your recruiting and training and all that info stuff. Okay, otherwise you might even get a headache going, oh, I'm just talking about LiveGood all day and my neck hurts. I feel like I'm doing Avon, Tupperware, Mary Kay. Guys, that's old school. People don't care about usually even what I'm saying right now. They just go, where's the video? I'm going to watch it. And if I join and if I have questions, great. But right now it's nice to know that LiveGood has its own customer service. It has its own credit card processing and cryptocurrency processing. We have new products out every month. We just debuted another 2 or 3 as of this week, the first week of February 2025. We have 9 more products because Ben, our CEO, we have four web meetings, Zoom meetings. Monday about products. We just did one about sleep with Dr. Ryan and Lisa a few hours ago because today's Monday. All right. Wednesday, Nodder, our VP of Marketing and Field Development, he does like about a 30-minute recruiting educational live Zoom, gives us great advice how to tell people about the products or opportunity. Thursday, we have a 1-hour recruiting meeting where you can just send people the link and go, hey, if you want to learn more about LiveGood, watch this. If not, I record it. It's all over my YouTube channels. Friday, our company, Ben, Nodder, and Ryan and Lisa, they're the Fab Four. They're our 4 owners and founders. They do a live company meeting. They talk about new products, products on the way, which ones are doing well, how many people have rank advanced from some people got 2 people, 10 people, 100 people, 2,500 people. We have rank advancements every week, record-breaking numbers, unheard of, worldwide. Guys, we're in over 200 countries. I mean, Asia's just killing it. You guys know China, from Japan, South Korea, Kazakhstan. We're all over Europe, from France to Germany, of course, down under Australia, New Zealand, New Guinea even. I'm in America, all right? This is a worldwide endeavor. This is one hell of a success story, okay? These type of numbers do not happen a lot, all right? This is like, okay, you're right in the beginning of Microsoft or Avon, or maybe you were born in 1930-something and you joined Amway, or maybe New Skin in the 80s. But when you have an online business like this that can sign up this many people worldwide, now's the time to join. Okay? But please keep it simple. Okay? This is a 10-minute video. You don't have to do any videos if you don't want to. There's plenty of videos already made that LiveGood has in the back office you can use. Post them on your social media. Email people. All right? I got tons of advice that I'm going to send you. I'm going to email you if you join me. Okay? And I just try to make it as simple as I can. I've learned a lot over the last 2 years. And people just want to watch video. So I send them to joincory.com. Hopefully that's what you'll do. Watch this video here by this handsome guy. And if you want to come aboard or get more info, just fill in this little box right here and hit that orange button. And that's it. My work's done. LiveGood does everything else. Okay, so high five. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe, okay? I talk a lot about LiveGood and some other things, and hopefully you get some value out of these darn videos. I have a lot of fun making them. All right, guys, have a good time. And if you need something, Cory at CoryDraper.com. Don't be shy. All right, take care, guys. Bye.